Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Realme 8S 5G.
I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free.
The box contains all the normal stuff. A clear transparent case, some paperwork, the handset itself in this purple color, then there is a 33-watt fast charger along with the USB Type-C cable. Alright, welcome back. This is it. This is the Realme 8S 5G. 5G again being the keyword over here. Now we've had this conversation before on this channel. Would you give a better features just for 5G? Like in the budget smartphone market right now, you have very good 4G phones. Then you have some average phones, but they come with 5G. There's no middle ground as of yet where you get very good features plus 5G. We've seen that with Realme 8 5G, Redmi Note 10T 5G, Poco M3 Pro 5G, and now with the Realme 8S 5G. Now I know you guys might have a question that why does this phone exist? Well, it exists for the same reason as the Redmi Note 10T 5G. There are people who don't change their phone for 3 to 4 years, and for those people, buying a 5G phone right now absolutely makes sense. So it's for those people. Now if we talk about the internal specifications, Realme 8S 5G comes with the latest Dimensity 810 processor, and in my initial testing period I found it to be really good. In terms of performance, this phone is smooth and does not lag at all. MediaTek has been making some very good processors out there and is giving a very good competition to Qualcomm. Dimensity 810 is a prime example of that. MediaTek is leading the budget category in terms of 5G processors, and that is an excellent thing. Now these are my initial impressions about the Dimensity 810. I will do my thorough testing and talk more about it in my full review. That's why make sure you are subscribed to the channel because you don't want to miss that coverage. So it's pretty clear that Realme is not cutting corners in terms of the processor. So where are they cutting corners to get that price down? Well, first up is with the display. This smartphone again comes with a full HD plus IPS LCD 90Hz display. Yes, it's an IPS LCD display and not AMOLED, whereas all the 4G smartphones in the same price category are offering an AMOLED display. So AMOLED displays should be standard by now, but because of the higher cost of the processor, like higher cost of the 5G processor, they had to go with an IPS LCD 90Hz display. Now when you talk about the actual display quality, it's decent enough. Decent viewing angles, it gets bright enough, the colors are good, and 90Hz is smooth. I did not notice any frame drops so far, so that is a good sign. But yeah, if you give me a choice between 120Hz AMOLED plus 4G or 90Hz LCD plus 5G, I would any day pick 120Hz AMOLED plus 4G. Like any day. Now apart from that, on the battery side of things, this phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. So it's good to see that the battery capacity is massive, and despite the battery being so big, this phone is not heavy at all. It's a very comfortable, lightweight and easy to use phone. I like the in-hand feel of this smartphone, and that is excellent. The weight distribution is also even, which is highly appreciated. Now if you talk about the back panel over here, it is a plastic back panel, and I do like this color. It's called Universe Purple. It's a different color, and as soon as I unboxed this smartphone, I was like, damn, that color is different, and I do like it. Alright, it's now time to talk about one of my favorite things on any smartphone, and that is them cameras. So on the rear side, there is a triple camera setup, or should I say a single camera setup. It comes with a 64 megapixel primary sensor, and then it has a black and white portrait lens and a macro camera. So basically the other two cameras are as good as useless. The only main sensor over here is the 64 megapixel primary camera. Now here are some sample photos from the primary camera, and it is doing a good job in terms of the photos. The dynamic range is good, colors are natural, saturation is not too much, not too less either, and overall the image looks pleasing to the eye. As far as my initial impressions go about this camera, I am happy about it. But you guys know me, I will do my thorough testing in terms of the cameras and will mention about it in my full review. Again, stay tuned for that, it will be coming in a couple of weeks. As far as the front camera goes, here are some samples from the front camera, and again, the same story over here. My initial impressions about the front camera are positive. It's looking like a good one. No issues with the front camera as far as my initial impressions go. Now apart from that, this phone comes with a USB Type-C port, headphone jack, and the speakers are good as well. I am not disappointed with the speakers, they are actually good speakers. But coming back to the main point, there are a lot of trade-offs for 5G. Would you make those trade-offs? Like, do you use your phone for 3 to 4 years and do you want a 5G phone right now? You guys let me know in the comment section down below, because I am confused AF. Like, it's very confusing right now. But anyway, this was my very quick unboxing and initial impressions about the Realme 8s 5G. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.